wasn't gonna film today. I'll be honest with you, but I got my boy right here.
Test driving the Max, man. Fuck! I'm about to cry while I'm in the driver.
With a 6-speed.
Okay. Okay, and your reverse is like all the way back?
Nah, it's you gotta push it up and forward. And that's reverse right there.
Cool.
And
your brakes on? Or no?
No, it's off. Hey, the clutch catches pretty high, so you don't gotta push it all the way.
Got you.
All the way either. So
you got the same shit as Corey. Gee, that's a heavy clutch.
yeah, stage 2.
I picked the wrong sandals. Damn, I should have took the other slides in the car. I see you. I definitely see you.
Oh shit.
How you good?
Nah, he's like, bye. Oh, they're gonna break it up.
Yeah.
He said bye. His cops are dumb, man. Yo, I'm telling you.
Oh, he really waved?
Yeah, he waved. He's like bye because we were leaving.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Careful with the.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, I get a little shake on my steering wheel.
Good. I get one that's worse. Quick little pull, man, while the cops are distracted.
For real.
Damn, man, you made me jealous.
I made you want to get one, that's why.
Fuck.
You can come.
Everybody's about to fly by.
Yeah. This guy, so tell me, how is it?
Oh, my fucking heart, bro. I'm crying inside out. I'm crying at all. Guys, this feels amazing.
Yeah, for
This
real.
feels amazing. Let me tell these guys, just take the car and leave the parking lot. We'll meet them up the street.
Back.
I'm gonna get. I'm gonna launch it again. I'm fucking this nigga's tires up. I ain't gonna cap.
Yeah.
I got you. I'm gonna stay in the lane closest to you. What's behind me right now?
Hey, yo.
That sounds stupid. That shit sounds stupid.
Yo.
Oh,
shit. When until Gerson sees it, he's gonna be like, what the hell are you guys doing, bro?
Grace is gonna be like, yo,
Oh, shit.
look, nah, he's good. He ain't gonna catch shit. Cause he's gonna go to that gas station. Hey, that gas station might be hot now. Oh man, good times, man. I appreciate you for trusting me too.
I got you, bro, to be honest.
For trusting me too, cause man, yeah, it's gonna be a full review and detail coming from it.
So like honestly, if you want right now, put it in neutral when it stops, and just like go to like 6K and just and just like. Hey guys, he's doing it.
And look at where we're at now.
This guy.
That bit like that nigga whipped that shit.
Yo, that's why it's built, right?
Whipping that You let him whip that bit like that? That nigga whipped that shit, huh?
Yo, that's why it's built, right?
You whipping that shit, hell yeah.